Now, you're not gonna go and cut your dinner with that knife, are you?
Yeah, I probably will.
Now, will you?
Maybe. You never know about me.
I hope you at least wash it off first.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Don't want you to not come to work tomorrow over a dirty knife. Just working with leaves today again. Sights. Love it. Oh, they can breathe. Now you're probably asking yourselves, why don't you feed them a bale of hay to keep them out of your way? Well, because I need to work up in here where their hay rack is, and it wouldn't make much sense to dump a bale of hay in and trying to work around them. It'd just be easier to do it this way. Come on, get out here. Sloppy stuff. Keep taking half buckets, but you can't really do anything different. One last push here to kind of get it in a little bit further. Now I get onto the bottom bar. This was all that slop from that hurricane we got when it decided it wanted to dump all that 2.5 inches of rain. There ain't nothing I can do with this stuff. Nothing at all. Did you even taste that? Nope. I inhaled it and trying to choke on it. And there comes Junior with 3010. Look at that thing run. Okay, so there he goes. He's gonna go play in the topsoil, and I'm gonna lock up here, and I'm gonna go hook the manure spreader up and do stuff like that. Might as well finish what I started. No sense in leaving it for tomorrow. What a mess. I think I'll just let that go by the hay rack. Clean up what's in front of me, then I'll call it quits. Just when I thought I was done, it all had to run over this way. Oh boy. Well, all I know is somebody's got some cleaning to do on this bucket. Yuck. Well, this is the first that I've ever in my life had to put manure back in a barn. And I ain't exaggerating. Man. There ain't no telling how tomorrow's gonna go spreading it. Ugh. So I figured I'd do some explaining with how this mirror got broke. It was the mirror on the combine. We were moving it from the field on Sandy Lake down to that little, over to the field by the house here. And there was a car coming. The idiot wouldn't get out of the way, you know, wouldn't pull over, forcing us to move over. Thus, this was on the passenger side. The machine had that nice antenna. It broke the antenna, shattered it, causing the mirror to go slamming up against the window, breaking it, all because of a frickin' cable line. Oh, no. All because an idiot wouldn't get over, causing us to get over, breaking an antenna, smashing a mirror, all because they were too, you know, self-centered in themselves and couldn't get over for a piece of farm equipment. That's exactly what happened. Okay, so I'm greasing this manure spreader, and I'm gonna ask that if anybody has the New Holland 185 manure spreader to do a video on where every single grease fitting is back here. Because I could only find one. Let's see. What was that? 1, 2 is, where the fuck's the second one? God damn it. I knew it was back in here somewhere. 1, let's see, 1, what the fuck? 1, 2, that should be like 3, god damn fucking grease. 2, 3, I thought there was one back up in here somewhere. see. 2, 3. Okay. And the book says that there should be about 7. So, the hell, I don't know. But this is just, it's aggravating because you're looking at a black and white picture and you need it to really be in color so you can see where all the fittings are. Yeah, and that's what. And then I do know about this one up here. And that is how this lock and lube is supposed to work. I know, like for some of these, I'm gonna probably have to take the darn thing off because you cannot. You just can't get into some of these tight places with it, and it makes it a pain in the butt to grease. And where was that? Oh, I gotta turn the thing. That's gosh darn it. Let's see. What the hell way? Oh. Let's see there. Yep, there's one right there. I get what's looking at me. I think the seal is going bad in this lock and lube because it don't want to hold no more. It just wants to fucking make a mess. I don't care. I gotta get that turned. What the hell, you gotta have that hooked up to the tractor to turn it? Oh, maybe you gotta have the gate up to turn that web or something? I don't know. This is new to me. Okay, so Dad had to come show me where the fucking fittings were. There's one there. Oh God, there's one there. One there, right where the can is. Is there more right there? What the? No, just the one there. And then I think that's it. For all the more that I really care. And then there's one right there. And then there's one there that got grease. And then this one here, this one there that got greased. But for all, like I said, the more that I care. So just gonna put some oil on this chain and call it good enough. Stupid thing ain't even on the sprocket right, or on the roller. That's all right. So that's all greased, done, and Dad gave me an update on the 7810 and the John Deere Gator. 7810, he said it might be coming home this week. They had to put a fuel pump on it because the fuel pump was bad. Friction discs were junk that hold the lever, and the Gator. You guys don't even want to know how much that cost. Just take a shot. Just take a shot at how much it cost to fix that John Deere Gator. Go ahead. Wasn't a video here. Take a shot at how much it cost to fix that 825. Well, I might as well just tell you guys so you can figure up everything. 2 new CV joints. I think it was rear axles and injectors and a couple other whatchamagizzards. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please comment, rate, and hit that red subscribe button down at the lower right hand of your corner or your screen. Thanks for watching.